So there's this huge wave of new AI agent builders hitting the market, and it feels like it's about to become everybody's job to create them. That's why today we're opening up the survival kit. These are the hard-won principles to help you build agents that actually work, without causing total chaos. Okay, let's get into it.
And I'm not exaggerating here. For the very first time, with tools like OpenAI's new Agent Builder, the power to create your own automated workflows and custom AI assistants is landing right in your lap. This isn't just for developers anymore. This is a superpower for everyone.
So what's really changing? Well, OpenAI is about to launch a drag-and-drop agent builder. This just completely demolishes the barrier to entry. Seriously, if you can build with Lego bricks, you're going to be able to build an AI agent.
Just picture this. You can literally drag a block for, say, a Google Doc, connect it with an arrow to a ChatGPT decision block, and then boom, point that to an output to spreadsheet block. This whole visual setup makes it so intuitive to lay out the logic and see exactly how your agent is supposed to work, step by step.
But, and this is a big but, here's where we hit our first major hurdle. There's a massive gap between building a fun little agent over a weekend and creating a truly reliable, production-ready system that a business can actually depend on. This is what I call the smart agent trap.
And this right here, this is the single biggest mistake that almost everyone makes at first. The temptation is to build one all-powerful, super smart agent that can do everything. But that approach, it just leads to unpredictable results. It's a black box you can't really audit. The smarter way, it turns out, is to use multiple, simpler agents, each with one very specific job. It's way easier to build, easier to fix when something breaks, and just far more reliable.
So, why do those super smart agents always seem to go off the rails? Well, it almost always boils down to three things: a vague, ambiguous prompt that leaves way too much room for interpretation, a context window that's kind of like the AI's short-term memory that's just stuffed with messy, disorganized info, and, well, a total lack of clear guardrails to even define what success looks like.
And this brings us to a secret for building solid AI systems that sounds, well, completely backwards. The goal isn't to build the smartest agent you can possibly imagine. It's actually the exact opposite. Just let that sink in for a second. The best, most reliable agents are often the simplest ones, as long as, and this is the key, you are absolutely obsessive about feeding them clean, structured, and relevant information. So you see, we're not aiming for some sci-fi general intelligence here. What we're really aiming for is something we can call deterministic intelligence.
And this is a really important distinction. We all worry about AI hallucinating, just making stuff up. But in a business setting, the much bigger risk is an agent making the wrong call because of ambiguity. It didn't hallucinate, it just followed your unclear instructions perfectly. Deterministic intelligence is all about designing a system that avoids those business logic mistakes by making every single step predictable and easy to audit.
All right, so how do we actually build for that kind of predictability? Let's get into the playbook and see how this all comes together. These are the core principles you've got to follow.
First up, the outcome-first mindset. Don't even think about the inputs yet. Start at the finish line. What is the exact result you want? And maybe even more important, how are you going to prove automatically that the result is correct? Once you have that locked down, then you can work backwards to design your agent's flow.
Second is what I call the clarity mandate. This is where you want to dumb everything down. And I mean that in the best way possible. Your prompts have to be crystal clear, zero room for misinterpretation. Your data sources? They need to be structured and squeaky clean. And you have to break down any complex task into a chain of simple bite-sized steps. Clarity is your best weapon against errors.
And third, be a minimalist with your tools. Think about it. Giving an agent a giant bloated toolbox is like giving a 7-year-old a workshop full of power tools. It's just a terrible idea, right? Give it only the specific tools it needs for the job, with super clear instructions on when and how to use each one. Avoid bloating its capabilities, because more choices just means more chances for things to go wrong.
Oh, and by the way, there's another huge reason to keep things simple: cost. Those complicated, ambiguous agents don't just fail more often, they are incredibly expensive. They just burn through tokens, which is what you pay for with AI models, trying to make sense of your messy prompts and data. Simple, clear, dumb agents are just way more efficient.
Okay, so these principles are fantastic for you as an individual builder. But what happens when you're working on a team or across an entire organization? Well, the challenge gets a whole lot bigger.
And this question right here just sums up the problem perfectly. Let's say Betty in marketing builds this amazing custom agent to automate her workflow, but it's this complex, undocumented system that only she understands. What happens when she's out of the office for a week? The whole process grinds to a halt. This creates a huge vulnerability for the whole organization.
The only real solution here is to set up an organizational standard. This just means everyone agrees to a set of best practices. Things like always picking the simplest agent for the job, defining the simplest workflow, making sure the context is clean, using the fewest tools, and making sure all prompts are checked for ambiguity. This is how you create a sustainable, manageable ecosystem of agents that people can actually rely on.
Look, at the end of the day, we have to remember this one thing. These agents are not magic mind readers. They're logic engines, and they're just trying their best to follow instructions based on our often messy, ambiguous human language. The more structured and clear you can be with your instructions, the more predictable and reliable your results will be. It's really that simple. So, you're about to be handed this incredible new power. It's like being given the ability to build your very own lightsaber. It's exciting, and it can do amazing things. But with that power comes a huge responsibility to build it right. By focusing on simplicity, clarity, and predictability, you can build agents that truly empower your organization, instead of creating fragile systems that nobody can maintain. Good luck.